How to use Squarespace for small business. So this year, Squarespace has moved beyond basic templates into a design intelligence era. For a small business, this means you aren't just picking a layout. You're using Blueprint AI to build a site that is specifically optimized for your industry's conversion goals. So the perfect template this year doesn't exist because you're going to build it in seconds. So when you hit Get Started, Squarespace gives you two paths. So it's going to be the library path, which is best for specific visual industries. If you're a photographer, just choose Portfolio or something close to it from the list. There you go, photography, for example. Then you can also choose the Portfolio category for high-res edge galleries. If you're a restaurateur, pick food and drink to get built-in menu blocks and reservation integrations. And then the Blueprint AI path. So this is the gold standard for most businesses. Instead of browsing, you select your job, like consultant or local shop, and the AI then asks for your goals. Do you need to book appointments, sell physical products, or just collect leads? And then once you set your goals, you will enter the Blueprint AI flow. So this is it. Just press on Build Sites. And now we have the sections. So you can choose a hero section, an about section, and a services grid. And also this year, these are curated based on your business type. Now the personality. So pick a brand, vibe, professional, playful, or sophisticated. This instantly applies a optimized font and color palette for this year. The content. Click any block and hit the AI writer button. Tell it, or write a punchy headline for a plumbing business in Seattle. It will generate high converting copy that matches your brand personality instantly. And now let's make it yours. After that, you just hit Edit to enter the Fluid engine. And this is a drag and drop grid system. You can move buttons, images, and text anywhere. Also a pro tip, always check the mobile view at the top when you get there. Squarespace this year allows you to rearrange the mobile layout independently, so your site looks perfect on a smartphone, even if the desktop version is complex. Then add a contact form or a scheduling block so clients can pay you or book time without leaving your site. So let's go further. Intro section, you can choose other sections if you want. And now, of course, as you can see, you can drag them, replace them, and do anything you wish. Choose the color palette, choose the font pairing, finish up, and then it will create a site for you. And after that, when you're done, just hit on publish, connect your domain, and you're live. So if you're willing to edit the site further, there's your edit site button, and there's a domain button where you can connect your domain. So that's it. Also, the core plan at around $23 a month is the sweetest spot for small businesses, so just keep that in mind. If this quick start guide helped you launch today, hit subscribe and ring the bell.